My name is Amanda Alvarado, and we're called Little Shed. We're in Whittier, California, 6742 Bright Avenue, 90601, and we're a home goods store, home decorating. And a lot of the things are handmade, custom made, either locally made or we have them shipped out in very small batches. Carry some vintage, a little bit of salvage, but mostly all brand new. It's just a lot of locally made goods. Ever since I was little, my mom, single mother, was an entrepreneur, did everything she could for us to, make sure that we were okay. So she really inspired me since I was little to just stand out and do as much as I could to make it in life. And when I was a kid, it started from taking care of my neighbor's dogs when they were out of town or picking up after them, and that eventually led into a dog walking business. And when I met my husband, he's a go-getter, he's a hustler. He really pushed me to go above and beyond and be able to start this. It's a scary thing. I was in interior design for 10 years, started right out of high school, something that I really loved, but I didn't think that I was just using my mind to its fullest potential. So my husband and I decided sometime last year to just go ahead and start our own business, open our own store, a brick and mortar. It was definitely scary, but exciting at the same time to think that we were laying down the foundation for our future and our future family. It's definitely something fun, but it's scary when you just think you have to go all in or nothing at all. So to get up and leave your job and start this, definitely scary, but it's more exciting than that. Moving into Whittier, we loved all the mom and pop shops that were here, and we always supported everything in the community, and we just thought, why not bring our own idea into the community and continue supporting everybody. And it's something that's really strong here in Whittier. Everybody really strives to support one another, so it's definitely important for us to support other local businesses. We were in Kauai last year in October, and my co-worker, who I love, her daughter is graduating from UCLA, has a great job, and she texted me while we were on vacation, and she just wanted me to thank me for helping her while she was in high school and helping her reach that point. So I was really excited, and I was telling my husband, hey, she's graduating, she has this great job, and he was happy for her, but he asked me, kind of stumped me, and he's like, well, what about your dream? What are you gonna do? You can't sell yourself short just because you're happy, you're complacent with where you're at in life. So that's what inspired me to turn a light bulb on, and I said, you know what, I need to just stop, and I need to go ahead and go after my dreams, chase what we really want. So that's why we're here today. We want to be here as long as we can, and eventually be able to bring in either some high school students or design students, college students. We want to stay here. We live in Whittier, and we want to make this our forever home. So 10 years, we definitely still want to be here. Maybe have a bigger location if the community likes us. So yeah, definitely here to stay.